Who is going to on hotspot for me? So y'all, so this is what I got. So hopefully my sister comes on time for the road trip. Bye bye y'all, bye bye. Okay, so I just noticed that throughout the vlog that you're about to watch right now, I was filming vertically like this when I'm supposed to film like this. So I feel so bad. As a new YouTuber, I'm trying to get a hold of things, how things work, how I'm supposed to film, the angles, all of that good stuff. So I feel so bad because I was just editing yesterday and I'm like, what? I just noticed that the entire vlog I was filming like this, which is so embarrassing. Like I was like filming like this when I'm supposed to be filming like this. So that's why now I'm filming like this, trying to tell you guys that I'm so sorry for, you know, vlogging like this, because that's what you're gonna see the entire video. And I feel so bad because this is like my second vlog. So I just hope you enjoyed this video and have fun, because I had fun making it, and I'm having fun editing it currently. So I just hope you had fun. See ya, bye. You can watch the video now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Presh, back again with another video. So today it is hot outside in Phoenix, Arizona. So we're going to run some errands today. Even though it is 15:35, we're still gonna do a bunch of stuff. Okay, so first of all, I'm waiting for my sister. She wants to get something. Going to different places today. Hopefully this camera gets me, I guess. Wait, I'm gonna change the set. So we are going to McDonald's to get something chill because it is hot outside. And something cold is needed. And from there we're gonna go to the car wash to wash my car because it's so dirty. It's so dirty, so filthy. Like I cannot start to show y'all the glass. Let me try to do this thing. It is so dirty. So we're gonna wash it. We're also gonna go to the gas station. And then afterwards, we're gonna go to Target to get some healthy stuff and fruit and all of that. Thank you. Is this sweet, baby? So y'all, so this is what I got. This is smoothie, a strawberry smoothie. So we're about to take a journey to the car wash. You're my manager. I'm not even doing manager work. Okay. What am I supposed to do with that? It is the next day. I forgot to close out on the last video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog of me running some errands and doing some stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment what you think about the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am at 134 subscribers right now, so it would be great to get to 140. So yeah, thank you, bye.